One of the most enjoyable activities to experience in Tokyo is exploring the narrow lanes of Golden Gai. These alleys are packed with a multitude of themed bars, music clubs, and traditional izakaya establishments. Each venue is uniquely adorned, reflecting the personal interests of its owner. However, due to their limited space, these establishments can only accommodate a small number of customers at a time, usually ranging from 5 to 10 individuals. It is highly recommended to spend an evening in this vibrant area, nestled beneath the towering skyscrapers of Shinjuku, as it offers an enchanting and captivating atmosphere. Situated on the eastern border of the Kabukicho Entertainment District, Golden Gai's labyrinthine street were once a home to numerous brothels. However, when the authorities banned prostitution in the 1950s, a plethora of drinking establishments sprouted in their place. Today, Golden Gai is a home to approximately 300 establishments, each with its own distinct ambience and character. Some venues boast cool jazz, rock, or anime-themed decor, while others offers live music performances and karaoke sessions. The food and beverage options are equally diverse, ranging from craft beer and sake to sushi and yakitori. Exploring the narrow streets, venturing into cozy bars, and engaging in conversation with local bartenders, residents, and visitors made our night in Tokyo truly unforgettable. However, it is important to note that before embarking on a bar-hopping adventure, it is worth being mindful of potential cover charges at some establishments and the fact that not all bars may be as welcoming to foreign patrons. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like.